I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need an active school email and a Microsoft account before you begin. First, sign in at the Office for Education portal using that school address. Once signed in, Microsoft will ask to verify your student status. Follow prompts and enter any requested enrollment details. Make sure your institution accepts Microsoft Education offers. After verification starts, you'll see available plans or free Office 365 education options. Select the student offer to continue to the next step. You'll confirm identity by clicking the verification link Microsoft sends to your school email or by uploading documentation if required. Once verified, review the available student plans. Choose Office 365 Education for cloud apps and desktop installs, or redeem a product key if your school provided one. Make sure to select the correct install type for your device, Windows or Mac, and note how many devices are allowed. After choosing, accept licensing terms so installation and activation details appear on your account page. Download the Office installer from your Microsoft account page and run the setup. When the apps launch, sign in using the same student Microsoft account to activate the license. Activation completes automatically after sign-in. Make sure OneDrive is enabled for cloud saving and check for updates in account update options. If activation fails, clear stored credentials or cache tokens, try signing in via a private browser, or contact your school IT for license issues. Keep proof of enrollment handy when you need support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.